Yeah, I can.
Okay, perfect. Well, what we've decided to put on for this year is a We Care for Patients primary care pitch competition that is going to be happening live on October 7th during our Edmonton Startup Week, which is a community event. And it's hosted by Osland Medical Billing Tools in collaboration with the Center for Advanced Medical Simulation at NAIT, which if you are not familiar with the Center for Advanced Medical Simulation at NAIT, I highly recommend you check out their website. It is a fascinating a fascinating structure and the stuff that they can do there. It's absolutely mind blowing. And we will be over the next couple of weeks. We'll be doing a lot of kind of information sessions. We'll be putting out over social media, highlighting a lot of the really cool simulation stuff that they can do there at camps. Okay, so for years now, in primary care and all across the province, we have been quietly innovating. We've been doing it through quality improvement, through PTSAs, through workflow changes, and a lot of what we call quality improvement, change management. Well, the truth be told, that is innovation, and we've been doing it in healthcare for a very long time. So now it's time to flip the script on who gets to lead with that. Now, what the challenge is if the people who do the work are the ones who need to change the work, what is one part of your job or your team's routine that you would radically redesign to improve patient access and improve staff well-being? Now, who can apply? This is open to anybody working in the primary care field, whether you're a nurse practitioner, a receptionist, a clinic administrator, a healthcare student, screening coordinator, an LPN, a nurse practitioner, quality improvement facilitators, or anyone else that's working on Alberta's front line of primary care. And you can apply in either as a solo team member or up to 5 team members. So 1 to 5 team members per team. You answer the challenge question with your real world idea. Now, when I say real world idea, yes, if you have an idea that, let's say, technology isn't quite there yet, we want to hear those ideas too. We want you to think outside of the box. Years ago, I used to always tell doctors I was working with that, tell me what you want the EMR to do short of shooting out a hologram. Now, today, I can't really use that saying much anymore because, we're probably a few years away from that actually happening. So what you would do is you just answer the question with your real world idea and by explaining what the problem is and addressing what the solution is that you are presenting. You would do that in a 4-minute video or up to 4 minutes video that is attached to your application. And we're given extra points for creativity. So get inventive and think outside the box to get the judging committee's attention. Now, timeline of events, because this is not just a pitch competition. We want to be able to give the attendees a lot of tools that they can walk away with and skills that they can utilize after the event. So applications are open now until September 5th at 11:59 p.m. On September 10th, we will announce the top 8 teams from all of the applications. Now we're going to be doing that in an exciting format. We're not quite sure yet, but there will be some type of live announcement that'll be going out either via LinkedIn Live or radio, something of that sort. Now on September 15th, the top 8 will have a virtual meet and greet with their coaches. So each of the top 8 teams will each be given a healthcare coach and a business coach to help them prepare for the pitch competition. Then on September 27th, we are bringing all of the members of the top 8 teams down to a 1-day pitch prep boot camp, where they're going to learn how to map out their idea on a lean canvas. They're going to learn a little bit about customer research, market validation, as well as how to be able to effectively pitch their idea on the live pitch night. And then on October 7th, we're going to have the pitch competition from 4:30 to 8:30 at the Dow Theater at NAIT, and then they will pitch live. Then we will pick the top 3 to win the array of different prizes that have been put forward. So now to apply, you would just go straight to the website here. You can access it from the QR code or from the website listed above it. And again, you would have until September 5th at 11:59 to apply. And again, the event's happening during Edmonton Startup Week, which is a great opportunity for exposure as well. Edmonton Startup Week brings thousands of people to the city to attend all these different events. So we're really excited to be a part of that this year too, to kind of bring together the startup community and the primary healthcare community together as one. And if you have any questions after our session here today, this is my contact information, my email, and my direct line to my office as well. And please, you can feel free if you have any questions, you can reach out at any time directly to me. And I'll actually give the floor to you if you have any questions today that you'd like to ask.